How much weight can I lose day 9?
Ikaw? Ano meron doon? Ilan?
Now it's time for our first meal of the day. So sa ngayon, ano lang tayo, recycle yung mga niluto natin na nakaraan, mga leftover. So syempre, para hindi masayang, yun muna ang meal for the day natin. So ayan na yung first meal of the day natin. Syempre yung aking Americano coffee. Ito, dalawa to. Ito yung ginisang repolyo ng niluto ko nung I don't know when, maybe 2 days ago. Ito yung toge na niluto ko kagabi. So mix-mix na yan. So ang lumabas sa kanya, ginisang toge at repolyo na may toko at baboy. Oh, ayos na yan. So, let's eat!
Parang
Sabi mo kung ako nagpalit yan, ang hirap-hirap pala. Nagtitingin kasi ako sa online sa pagpalit. Kaya lang sabi ko, naku, baka masira ko lang lalo yung rim pag ako nag-ano. Smile, Gilbert, smile.
sakto.
Anong pinasok ko? Ikaw rin, pinasok nating dalawa. Bakit ako lang?
Okay. Pag-gauge to. Wala na. Ito mahirap pa kasi ano. Bagong gulong.
So paano yun? Ano yung, di ba may tinanggal sa loob? Eh, bukas din yan. O, paano yun?
Hindi, yung loob lang yung hahanginan mo. So yung loob lang yung nabutas. So pag pinalitan mo yung loob, kahit butas yung labas, may nagsabi sa akin na mas maganda kung naka-tubeless, hindi masyadong madaling ma-pinch. Start na tayo ng biking. Time check pala. It's 5 o'clock. Sobrang lamig ng hangin. Tapos, if you're wondering bakit naka-arrive kami rito sa Hudarayat ng 3, naiiwan ko yung SD card ng camera ko. So naghanap kami, wala kami nakita. So I end up using my phone camera again. So bear with me. Tomorrow I'll give you better footage. Katangan lang yung ginawa natin. Dinala ko yung camera, wala namang SD, wala namang memory. So no 360 footage today. Bukas na lang. We'll come back here tomorrow for our Christmas Eve ride. You know, that's it for our bike ride. I'm sorry, I don't have enough footage for this Hudarayat Island. So, dinner na tayo. Let's eat! Ayun na. Tapos na, that's it for yun ang pagbabike natin ngayon. Wala tayong footage masyado kasi dala ko yung camera ko pero walang SD. So, nandito kami sa Hudarayat ng 3 PM. Nakabike na kami 5 kasi naghanap pa kami ng SD. So at the end, wala kami nakuha ng SD. So walang footage today for our biking. Pero tomorrow we'll be back here in Udarayat with a much better footage. So that's it for now. After this, prepare muna tayo ng dinner. Or I don't have time to prepare dinner kasi it's 5:45. So uwi lang kami, prepare for simbang gabi. Maybe mag take out lang kami ng food. Healthy food, of course. Like what I've said, transition tayo unti-unti to a healthier food. So let's eat. So now let us see how much weight did I lose today. So yan, we gained 0.2 kg from 120.9 now at 121.1 kg. It's a bit disappointing kasi parang hindi nag-paid off yung hard work natin yesterday. That's just me anyway. Let's just keep on grinding. Tomorrow is another day. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get back on track.